Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can make a factory reset by the software with the Huawei P Smart. So first of all, we go to the settings. Then we scroll down to System. Then we go here on this point, Reset. And then we have 3 resets, so all the settings, so this is a soft reset, then a network reset, and then the complete reset is the factory data reset. The network settings you mean maybe if the phone doesn't find a signal or something like this, you can try this one, it helps sometimes. But we take the factory reset data, then after he will ask you if you are really sure if you want to reset it and if he should release the internal storage. And then you just go to reset phone, and then he will ask you if you're really sure, because you will erase all your data on this phone, and you go to reset phone. So now we will reinstall all the basic settings, and yeah, it will take a bit time, so some minutes, so don't worry about it. And after you have to enter all the stuff you did before, like to give a new email address and so on and so on, as you bought it brand new. Okay, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. Don't worry, this takes a few minutes. Yeah, I hope I could ask. I hope I could answer a question, and if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and maybe until next time. Ciao.